The Galaxy S23 Ultra is proving to be a fantastic upgrade for everyone, even S22 Ultra owners, and it looks that a new world record for the S23 Ultra is on the way. When Apple released the iPhone 14 Pro series a few weeks ago, they startled everyone by doing something unexpected. They said that the iPhone 14 Pro Max has the brightest display ever placed on a smartphone. It was startling since Samsung was the primary display supplier, and it was the first time that Samsung provided Apple with a battery display that was larger than what they had on their own flagship phones. The 14 Pro Max has a 2000 nits display, however the S22 Ultra only has a 1715 nits display, although that seems to be changing recently. As the S23 Ultra's display will be much brighter than the 14 Pro Max at over 2200 nits peak brightness, it will be substantially brighter for everyone, and as a result, Samsung will set a new world record for the brightest display ever. The biggest issue we have is how dark the display can become and how efficient it is, and the answers are that it is most likely 45% more efficient than its predecessor and that the display can be dimmed even lower than the S22 Ultra. Now, Samsung seems to be preparing to take another cue from Apple in terms of adopting a unique function for its Galaxy phones, implying that they are finally introducing satellite communication to smartphones. Actually, one of the most notable features of the iPhone 14 series is the satellite connectivity mod, which allows iPhone 14 users to contact emergency services from anywhere in the globe even when Wi-Fi networks and broadband connections are unavailable. And now, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will enable satellite connection capabilities. It seems that Samsung is working on introducing text messaging and low-resolution picture sharing to the Galaxy S23 through satellite communications. Google is already planning to include this functionality in Android 14, which will have built-in sports. You may believe that Samsung is once again attempting to imitate Apple, but this is not the case, according to South Korean media. Samsung has been working with Iridium Communication for 2 years to bring this capability to smartphones, however it will be interesting to see how broadly accessible this will be given Apple's satellite feature is now only available in the US and Canada. Samsung has now surpassed Apple by a wide margin in one crucial area. Yes, according to Golden Reviewer leaks, these GPU benchmark results suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is a little ahead of the Apple A16. Not only Qualcomm, but MediaTek is also looking fairly good. Clearly, they are second to Apple M series, and this demonstrates the ultimate strength of 8 General 2. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.